Let's keep it going. And number 3, we're taking a trip to the West Village. They might be mad at me for showing you guys this one because this address is so private, even locals can miss it. Good thing for you, I know exactly where to look. Let's go.
You would never guess this home is in the West Village. Honestly, this might be one of the most private places in the entire neighborhood. But let's start outside with this gated front patio. It's quiet, tucked away, and perfect for morning coffee, dinner with friends, or just getting some work done in peace. But let's take a look inside. You've got 2 full bedrooms and a bonus den that can easily work as a home office or guest space, whatever fits your vibe. The kitchen is a chef's dream, but it also got that timeless classic charm. Think clean lines, warm finishes, and a layout that just makes sense. It balances elegance with everyday comfort. Downstairs, you got a bathroom with sleek glass and closed showers. Everything you need, nothing you don't, just clean, modern setup. Now let's head upstairs to the main living area. Right off the landing, you got a beautifully finished bathroom with a jacuzzi tub and a rain shower. Perfect for winding down or starting your day off right. No overthinking, just done right. Now, let's step into the primary bedroom. It's oversized, filled with soft natural light, and has that kind of layout that gives you room to breathe. Whether you're setting it up as a cozy escape or something more minimal, it's the kind of space that instantly makes sense the moment you walk in. And just off the bedroom, you got your own private balcony overlooking a quiet lane. And then there's this room. And honestly, I'm not even going to label it. The current owner has it as a closet, but you could turn it into anything. Yoga space, studio, reading nook, it's that flexible. Also, check out that skylight. Yes, you can walk on it. And it brings that kind of light that completely transforms the space. But let's head to the lower level. This home is just filled with so much natural light, and I think a lot of that is thanks to the soaring 12-foot ceiling. As we make our way downstairs, we're going to pass through the living area once more. But let's check out the den. The den is a cozy, tucked-away space that offers real privacy. It's quiet, versatile, and truly feels like a home within a home. There's even a wine fridge down here. Again, so many ways you could use this space. What makes this apartment really special is how it blends historic charm with flexible living, all right in one of New York City's most iconic neighborhoods. You guys let me know what you think of this apartment, because I think it was very unique and I enjoyed this space.